program, another program which I have given, electronic shop one, that I am going to start the purchase program. Okay, so I am just checking a class purchase. Okay, I have started the program. I just created the class, and in the class I'm just creating the, I have created scanner class object, and now I'm going to take the input of name. So ob dot next I've taken for the name. After that we will just ask for the address. Okay, apart from this scanner class, we can also import another thing, that is we are also having one more package, that is io.asterisk. This is buffered reader. Okay, we can also import, apart from scanner, we can import this io package. In this io package there is scanner, we are using scanner, there is buffered reader class. So this time I am going to tell you this program with the help of buffered reader. It is a long procedure, but yes, you should know because it is given in your course. So few programs I will tell with the help of buffered reader also. We use the scanner class for scanning. Similarly, we can also use the buffered reader class for scanning different data types. So this time I'm just going to tell you the buffered reader class. Similarly, as we use a scanner, it is also used for scanning purpose only. So buffered reader I am using, buffered reader br equals to new buffered reader. Okay, the procedure of scanning using buffered reader is a bit different as compared. You can see we have to take these two statements, then only we can create the object. Then I'm taking system.out.println, and here I'm taking enter name. Okay, one more thing is there. When we are using buffered reader, it is necessary to write throws io exception here, exception. This is required whenever we are using this java.io package and we are using this buffer reader class, then it is necessary to use this statement after this public static void main. So in the case when we talk to we talk about the input of a string, so what we have to do basically, I am taking a string name equals to the br object we are having, and we have to take read line. Read line is used for taking input of a string. So when we are having a string, so we have to use read line. Then again I'm going to take another string. I'm taking address, and this time I will again take read line, and I'm taking the variable a for address. Then I am again going to take enter the type of purchase. Enter the type of purchase. Okay, so this for this I am taking integer. Oh, sorry, the type of purchase again will be string only, so we will take type here. Okay, after that I am going to take enter amount of purchase. So amount would be integer, so I'm taking amount of purchase. Okay, integer dot and okay, so whenever we are before this I was using scanner class. This time I've changed, I am using buffered reader. So when we are using buffered reader, this kind of statements are used for scanning, like when we want to scan integer. Okay, so I'm taking discount 0.0 right now. Okay, then in double I'm taking, now I'm taking if. Now I'm going to apply the conditions which have been given in the question. So equals, so I'm taking capital L as given in the question. So if it is capital L, then it will check if the amount is less than equal to 25,000. So if the amount is less than equal to 25,000, then what will be done? The discount will be 0. After that, if I will come to the else portion, and I will just check else if the amount is greater than equal to 25,001, greater than equal to 25,001, and amount is less than equal to 57,000, then we will just take the discount equal to 5.0, then the 5% discount. Okay, after that, else if we will take another else if we will take for some other value, and this time we will check if it is greater than equal to 57,001 and less than 1 lakh. So then the discount will be 7.5. So after that, another one is the else if condition, in which we will check that if the discount is, I will just take this else if again, and I will just check if the amount is greater than, okay, 1 lakh. Okay, so for that we will give 10% discount. We will take 10% discount. Now we will just come here for the outer else if, like this one was the type. If the type was equal to else, then we have taken this. If the type is changed, like I'm taking else if, and I'm taking type dot equals, and I have to take I'm taking the type D. So here we will take if the amount is less than 25,000, then the discount would be uh, 5.0. Else if the discount amount is greater than this much, then we will go for 7.6. After that, if the discount if the amount is greater than 57,000, 57,001 till 1 lakh, then the discount would be for 10%. And in the other condition, it will go for else if the amount is greater than 1 lakh, then so now I'm just going for a discount. Discount equals to 15.0%. Now after this, we will just calculate the discounts and everything. So I'm just coming here and I'm taking double discount equals to discount divided by 100 into amount. This is to calculate the discount basically. So we will just calculate it. After that, I will just take double net amount. It's all according to the question which has been given. So I'm taking customer name. For name, I'm just going to print the name variable, which we have already taken. These things we have already taken. So okay, so in the name, then we will print the address. So the address we will print. Then we will print the type, purchase type. And here we will just print the type. Okay. After that we will just print the net amount paid. We will just print the net amount paid. So that is net amount. Okay, so let's compile it first. Okay, now I'm going to run this. Okay, so suppose the name of customer we are entering, say Laksham, address Lucknow, type of purchase. See, L is taken for laptop and D is for desktop. So L I am taking, that is laptop. So suppose the laptop is of this much amount. So you can see the output is here now. So after that, I am just going to run it again for the desktop for some other values. So suppose I'm taking Ayush and address I'm taking Agra. Type of purchase I'm taking D for desktop. Then amount of purchase suppose is this much. So accordingly it will just calculate the net amount and it will print. So according to the chart which is given in the program portion, it is working. Okay. Okay. Then next question we will do. Let's see. It is write a program to calculate and print the sum of odd numbers and the sum of even numbers for the first 10 natural numbers. The integer n is to be taken for the integer. So this particular program I'm going to solve for you. So okay, this name we have already taken. So sum of natural. I'm taking sum of natural because according to the natural number we are going to take it. Okay, so I'm taking import java dot util dot scanner. Then I'm taking class sum of natural. And then I'm taking public static void main string args. After that, we will just create the object of scanner class. Okay, after that we will enter a number. So before that, I just want to take some variables. I am taking n, I am taking I am taking odd sum equals to 0, and I am taking even sum equals to 0. So these are the variables. Then I am taking system.out.println, system.out.println, and I am taking enter a number. Enter the value. I'm taking enter a number. Okay, I'm taking enter a number. So after this, we will just take n integer. We have taken ob dot next int. Okay, so next int. Okay, after this, we will just check for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, and I plus plus. And then I will just take if condition. If I mod 2 equal to 0, so then we will just take even sum equals to even underscore sum plus I. Okay, else we will just take odd sum equals to odd sum equal plus I. Okay, then you just print them. System.out.println sum of all odd numbers, odd numbers, and we will just print odd sum variable, and then we will take sum of all even numbers. Okay, so just going to run this. So here I have taken 10, that is 1 to 10 number it will take, and till 1 to 10 it is adding all the odd numbers and all the even numbers. Okay, so it is adding all the odd numbers and the even numbers. Then again I am just going to run it. Like still where from 1 to all, 1 to 10, that is 10 I am giving, the number is the limit, I am taking 20. So till 1 to 20 it is taking the numbers and adding all the odd numbers and then all the even numbers. This way this program is working. So I'm just showing the code. You can see we have taken from 1 till less than equal to n, that is the n is the limit till where we are basically calculating the sum. Okay,